Whether you're a new collector or a seasoned numismatist, filling a book is an extremely great accomplishment. And once you fill it, you can always go back and fill it some more. But if you're new and you're looking for a good place to start, then I'm going to recommend the Jefferson Nickel. Now, the Jefferson Nickel first year was 1938. It followed the Buffaloes, and it continues all the way to 2024. Now, there's a lot of different items. You had the Westward Journey series. You have the Monticello. You have the Return to Monticello. You have some key dates and some semi-key dates, just like you would find in any coin. However, all of the nickels that you find, and you can find them in a good grade, and you can fill a book very affordably. In fact, a 1950D, which is a key date, you can find a really good specimen, MS63, MS64, maybe even MS65 for 30, 40, maybe even $50. In some cases, it might be a little bit more, and it'll be a lot more if it has the full steps designation. But even a slab, MS66, 1950D, full steps, will only set you back about $75 to maybe $100. So very affordable. Now, don't get me wrong. There are some of these that fetch an extremely high price. The first year, 1938D Jefferson Nickel full steps, man, you get that in an MS66 or MS67, and you're talking about a hefty payday. Or the 1940 with the reverse of the 1939. That's another coin in a high grade that'll fetch you a bunch of money. The 1942 D over D with the full step designation. That's a really cool repunchment mark. And in high grades, that'll fetch a bunch of money as well. Now, what I'm telling you is that the likelihood that you're going to get these is probably slim and none. However, if you're looking to collect a book and you're looking to feel something, and I'm going to tell you personally from my end, there's no greater accomplishment than filling a book. It's just fun to do. And when you get it, and you can look at it and say, all right, I'm going to upgrade this coin. And you sell that coin, and you take the money and apply it to the next one, and get you a better coin. And you can improve your books over time. But again, if this is something that you're new to, and you're looking for a really good place to start, there are other books as well. And I'll be talking about some of the other books that you can start in later videos. So if this is something that you like, do me a favor. Everything I'm going to ask you to do is free. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know that I deserve that thumbs up. Let me know what you would like to see, and I'll do my best to create some content that helps you personally. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Frostbyte. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the streams.